speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. Happy weekend to you all. If it's your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for my new subscribers. Thanks so much. Thanks for subscribing to the best of family. I appreciate it so much. So in today's video, I'll be cleaning and rearranging my room. Yeah, the first thing I would like to do is to change my rug. Yeah, because I was like, this room is so cool for my likeness. Like, I want to change the rug because it's a dark blue, like navy blue. So I want to change it to this red. I supposed to wait for hobby to change this, but I was like, I'm losing the patience. Like, I don't know why most men does this. Like, when you ask them to do stuff for you, they will all want to do it at the convenient time, like when they are ready to do it. You can't force them. I was like, okay, I think what man can do, Temi can do it better. So I started trying all my effort to shift the bed, and yeah, and I put my baby at my back because she wants to sleep and she was crying so hard that I cannot even concentrate on what I'm doing. So I have to put her in my back. So I had to get this done by myself because the time Obi gave to me that he will do it, he said we do it on Saturday or Sunday. And this is Monday. I was like, 5 days or 6 days. No, 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 I can't wait. So I started, I was like, okay, my own work is on it's night. So I have time. So because that is only when he have time. He doesn't have time from Monday till Friday. No, it doesn't have time. It can only get time on Saturday, which is weekend. I was like, I cannot wait till weekend. So I have to get it done by myself. And I have to put this beautiful girl in my back. Let me say this, not all what men can do, a woman can do better. Because it gets to a certain time that I was so tired. Like my baby is sleeping. Then I was like, I want her to sleep deeper so that when I drop her, she won't get up from the bed. You know how dramatic kids are. When you drop them, you just get up and feel like, Mama, carry me. I was like, okay, I want you to sleep more deeper so that when I drop, you won't stand up from the bed and I'll be putting my back again. So, this bed, I love it so much because it's so light, not like the one we had before. And yeah, I've dropped her. She is sleeping now. It's like, okay, my back can straight. The reason why we changed this room is because it's so small for the kids. This was where our kids were staying before we renovate this apartment. And yeah, and I love the room because we didn't add too much load. We just had our wardrobe, our bed, and side wardrobe, and that's it. I think with this red rug, the room is looking good because the wardrobe is white, the wall is white. It's only the bed and our bed side wardrobe that is another color. So I think it's giving. Yeah, like I love it. So I was trying to shift my bed back to the position while I get the second side ready to rug. Mhm. Like this wasn't easy. Oh my goodness sake. It wasn't easy. I was so let me do I don't want to use tired, like exhausted. Yes, I don't want to use the word tiredness because when I was tired, I won't be able to finish. Like I was feeling tired, but what to do? I have to finish what I'm doing because Obi will come for lunch, and I was trying to finish this before lunchtime so that he can get surprised. Like, okay, how did you do it? Although, when he came back from work, he was like, how did you do it? Only you. I said, what men can do, women can do better. If a woman shout out. All right, I'm done with the other side. I'm trying to sweep this side so that I can get it rocked too. And let me tell you guys something. When I was trying to carry this small mirror, it almost got broken. I wasn't very careful when I was carrying it. It's only God that saved me. If not, I would have break this mirror. Yeah, so I was trying to pack everything out from the wardrobe. Is this wardrobe? Yeah, I think it's wardrobe, right? Side wardrobe. So I was trying to get everything out from here so that I can get it to work too, while I'll try to sweep that small space. Yeah, you guys can see that the room is so small and doesn't contain too much load. When you have to clean it, you'll be packing everything like shift. No, I really love it that it's so small and we didn't have too much load. Assuming we had too much load to this room, I wouldn't be able to get everything done by myself. And the joy that I have in this bed or on this bed, because the bed is so light, like you can just use your leg to shift the bed one side to tell you how light it is. So I have to drink water and yeah, and I continue doing my work. Like I love this bed, like seriously. I'm telling you guys the truth. Alright, so I was trying to place my rug and yeah, arrange it and rearrange it. And that is how your girl did this. Alright, let me tell you guys something before I will go. Our giveaway time will soon be announced, and I will have to ask question about this giveaway. You guys should be watching my video. If you really know that you want to win the gift, watch my video because what I will ask will be in my videos. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned and be watching my video to the end so that you get your answer when we ask questions during our giveaway time, especially those are in Nigeria. Please watch our video and we give you a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Alright, so I was trying to rearrange everything back as it was before. And let me use this opportunity to say all the video you guys requested from me will be dropping next week. I promise you guys. I'm so sorry. The video about how I get my grocery, as in how I write my grocery, how I manage money about grocery, and how to make bread at home by yourself without going to buy or let anyone teach you. I'll surely do a video about it. I think that's the two requested video from you guys. Yeah, your girl will surely get it done. Trust me. Let me here for you. So I was trying to clean up the wardrobe and get all the dirty out. Then I'll go straight to our big wardrobe and clean it up. So I was trying to arrange everything back, placing everything, let everything look good and look clean. And it was sparkling. Yeah, that's it. All right, your girl is so tired. Okay, I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay tuned. Don't forget to love yourself and bye for now.